G'day, welcome back to Backyard Shenanigans. My name's Ben. On this video we're going to be adding a segment to one of them Bob the Bee Man hives that I've made. Bit different than the original Australian tetragonula hive or stingless bee hive, the oath hive. This one here is, as you see, it's a square one. It is 250mm by 250mm square. The side walls on this are 70mm high, so a bit shorter than an oath hive. I've got one over here. This is the top segment of a oath hive here, and here we go. We've got our Bob the Bee Man hive. It's a similar cubic centimetre style thing going on there, but it's probably slightly smaller with this one. Yeah, I've got the dividers in there at the bottom. Normally there's a round segmented screen that goes in here. As you see, there's some recesses in here. This one here receives the top of the last segment. So yeah, it's a different design. I originally started with these ones. I thought Bob was onto a good thing, especially since you got more segments per hive and stuff like that. Anyhow, yeah, and it's got an internal cut in here. Hopefully you can see. They can use that to get around the interior of the hive. It's not exactly like Bob's hive. This is a bit wider. When I was originally making my first Bob the Bee Man hive, I added an extra 36mm is the width of the walls, and I went 36 wider than what his one was, so it doesn't fit one of his segments. But you know, you gotta work with what you got, don't you? Anyway, we'll go out and we'll chuck this one on that hive that that was I think my first proper induction hive that I got going about February, March this year. It's now reached the top of its segment, so it's ready for another one. We'll go and have a look, hey? This is the hive we're going to add the segment to. As you see, they're already up and awake. It's pretty windy today, this morning. But anyhow, that's the one we're going to do. I will set you up so that we can have a look inside, eh? Here we go. Hopefully you can see the broods at the top here. So all we're going to do is take this screen off, like so. Try to leave that bit of brood there for them. That'll do ya. We'll just put this up here for now. Put a couple of bees on it. There you go. Right up to the top. I'll just peel some of this edge away. Looks like a bit of mould down there, eh? I don't know what that is. Can't be good. Hopefully by doing this it makes a better seal, eh? That's my plan anyway. Alright mates. Looks like definitely these are all sealed up here, so I reckon the queen's back down further. There's a bit of brood over here in the corner. Alright bees. On goes the segment. There's a young one, come on mate. This segment. Right, there you go. That bit's on. Put this here back on the top. There you go. It's a bit of a look in it. It's got a. It's pretty good. Sealed on. It's just got a tiny bit of a wobble. So we'll tape it up. Let's have a look at the brood. Oh well, there you go. They're doing fine, this lot. They're really good. This hive over here, don't know what's going on with them. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one, eh? Do a bit of more bee work. Cheers.